Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Windows virtual machine in VMware player. First you have to go to this website and download the Windows version you need. Then open the VMware player. Then click on the create new virtual machine. ISO image has chosen automatically, but if not, click on the browse and choose the ISO image file. You can choose home or pro versions too. I'm going to go with education version now. Give it a name, password if needed. You can do this later too. Then choose where you need to have the virtual machine folder. Now choose disk size. For Windows 60GB is the minimum, but we can go for less value too. I'm going to choose virtual disk as a single file for this. Finally click on finish. Windows usually takes much time than Linux installation. Actually I use Windows just for several purposes only. There are some software that are not available for Linux. Mostly I use Linux for my day-to-day activities. Okay, now it's downloading other necessary tools. Let's try the full screen. Return now. It's gonna restart now. So that's all about it. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.